All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is October 9th, 2023. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Let's do the market wrap up. We've got SPY candle right here. Nice strong candle continuation from Friday. Possible 2-day MMRP. I think it even moves into a 3. We'll see what happens. So here's SPY. Still hasn't broken the downtrend. No higher low has been set yet. Still got a base down here. Challenging this high over here. So we'll see what happens. Notice still the 3 and the 8 EMA still underneath our trend indicator. This should actually be green if its price closes up over the trend indicator on the daily today. We'll see what happens. And we'll look at QQQ. QQQ doing something of the same thing. Higher low, higher high. Continuation from Friday's move. Nice move for QQQ. I think QQQ can come up to probably right up to here. Make a nice move all the way up to about 369, 370. So QQQ starting a new daily uptrend. FNGU. Same thing happening. All right. A new daily uptrend. Higher lows and higher highs. So new daily uptrend in FNGU and QQQ. Not in SPY. So FNGU running into some resistance right here today. We'll see what happens with them tomorrow. Let's take a look at, they're in a new daily uptrend. Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow still no higher low. Just a 15-minute uptrend so far with higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. That's it for Diamond Dow. All right, so nice big strong candle there. Little continuation from Friday's move. Nice move there. Bouncing off this uptrend line for Diamond Dow. Still in a downtrend. In a 15-minute uptrend, but still in a daily downtrend. Let's take a look at IWM. That's our Russell 2000. Still in a daily downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Nice continuation from Friday's move, running into minor resistance right here. So we'll see what happens. Still price action, the 3 and the 8 underneath our trend indicator. So still a lot of work to do for IWM. Still in a daily downtrend. On the 15-minute chart, we have a higher high and a higher low. So higher high, higher low on IWM. Let's take a look at our indicators. Here's our 15-minute T2122, getting out of the sell side chop zone, climbing into the buy side chop zone. Hopefully they can set a new higher low and move back up into the buy zone, T2122. T2123, red half the day and finished out the day green. T2123 3 bar, still space between the trend indicator and the price action. FNGU started the day off red and closed strong with green right there. So there's FNGU. Now let's take a look at SMH. Our SMH on the daily chart, inside day, still in a daily downtrend. Still in a weekly downtrend, but daily uptrend. We've got higher lows on the daily chart and higher highs right there. On the weekly, we've got lower highs and lower lows. But on the daily, we've got higher highs and higher lows. SMH starting a new daily uptrend. Transports. Inside day for transports, still in a downtrend with lower highs and lower lows, and lower highs and lower lows. 15-minute chart. I don't know. I think we got a double bottom and a double top. That's all I can see right now. Nothing really significant. Let's take a look at XLF. XLF. Let's look at that on the daily. Another inside day. Still look price action. And the 3 and the 8 still caught underneath our trend indicator. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Still in a daily downtrend. And you can see lower highs and lower lows. On the 15-minute, we've got higher lows, higher highs. Failed to make the higher high here today after the other higher low. So XLF struggling right now. Let's take a look at the dollar. So here's our dollar index. And see the dollar pulling back to the low 106 level right here, which represents the minor support. Be that wick up there. So dollar's pulling back to 106, probably consolidate somewhere through here. Gave us a nice bullish run today in the market. Economic calendar, PPI comes out 8:30 Wednesday, and the FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. CPI on Thursday, 8:30. Let's take a look at USO. So here's USO bouncing off the minor support, getting a little pop here today. So USO bouncing off minor support on crude oil. UNG continuing its bullish run. 1, 2, 3, probably ready for some pause candles pretty soon up here. Breaking through the 750 barrier. Still got an uptrend line that it needs to pierce through. We've got a channel up here. So UNG could go all the way as high as about 850. Right up there to challenge this line before you might see sellers show up and sell it back down. There's UNG breaking out of the 750 zone or the 750 channel. Let's take a look at silver. All right, silver's still in a downtrend, but pulling back to the trend indicator. Lower highs, lower lows. GLD still got lower highs and lower lows. Pulling back to the midpoint here on GLD. Back to the trend indicator. All right, that's it for price action today in the markets. Was a light day. I think the bulls got further than they expected to go. Not too many participants, so they were able to stretch it out pretty good. We'll watch what happens tomorrow. That was a strong day. Notice we are closing for the second time in a row over our neckline of our head and shoulders pattern. That's a very good sign. And looks like they finally turned the trend indicator green. So that's it for me today, folks. I'll see you all at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning.